Hi, I'm Steph from the BMW DIY Guy, and do you want to keep up on basic maintenance on your BMW X1? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit before we get into it. Now, we've got to maintain our cars. Like any other modern car, if you maintain them, they'll be much more reliable and will be something you can really count on. And doing things like spark plugs is a really simple, easy thing to do. So when you get that basic maintenance, 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles, make sure to look the list over and take a look at the things that you can potentially do yourself. Save yourself some time, save yourself some money to be able to get away from that extra shop time. And I've cut regular maintenance bills in half, sometimes by 75%. I let the dealership or the shop take care of the super complicated things that I don't have the tools for or the time, and then I take care of absolutely everything else, and it cuts that bill down and it helps me stay on top of the maintenance of my car. Now today this is going to be a BMW F48, so that's the 2.8 motor, the 4-cylinder, and I'm going to walk you through this entire process. Now this particular motor is also very, very common in the Mini Coopers, so there's no reason why you couldn't use these same instructions on the appropriate 4-cylinder Mini Cooper. All right, let's jump into the hood, let's get started. All right, before we get started, make sure you do this when the engine is cold. So the car's actually been sitting here overnight, it's not been running. If you have run it, give it at least a couple of hours to cool off. So the very first thing we want to do is pull off the vanity cover.